What up?
Yo.
We're here at Fogata Brava Grill.
Yeah, almost caught an L too.
Almost caught an L too. Well, we're over here to try this Mexican restaurant for y'all Cinco de Mayo planners. Ambiance is real nice in here. That's like the scenery. Or just now.
Mojito. Look how they did the straw.
Oh, man. Yeah, that's crazy.
They're taking presentation to another level over here.
They do. And I ended up, I did the create your own combo. So this was what that's the menu, little menu. So it's at the bottom, create your own combo. You get 2 entrees, then you get your whatever your meat is, and then you get 2 sides. So I went ahead and got the chicken quesadilla and beef enchilada. What you get at, Jay?
I got, what did I get? Gringo style tacos.
Gringo style tacos.
Which is pretty much like tacos with sour cream and all that stuff. The regular ones don't have sour cream and cheese on them, but these have like sour cream cheese. I got carnita and I got shredded chicken. Figure out which one is hitting from better. Chipotle still holds the title for carnitas. Actually, Fat Taco. You ever been there?
No,
Chubby Taco.
Chubby
Taco got fire quesadilla.
Where's that?
Off of the Lake Boone Trail exit. Alright. Not near the hospital and all that stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna see who got better carnitas.
Alright. Yeah, we're about to give you some options for the Cinco de Mayo coming up, so stay tuned.
This is ShaunandShawn. ShaunandShawn. Yeah.
Pollo Santa Fe, which comes with chicken breast, and then we got veggies, and then we got queso dip, and it comes with a side of tortillas, and we got rice and refried beans.
Is that like an appetizer thing? Or
No, that's like
the
our
entree?
meal.
Oh, the
Entree.
meal?
Yeah.
Okay. And what would you recommend for like appetizers?
Appetizers, we have wings, which is like regular. You can't go wrong with that.
Okay.
We have honey
yes, you
chipotle and buffalo with ranch.
All right.
And if you like spicy things, we have stuffed jalapenos with cream, and then we have bacon wraps.
Okay.
Around.
Cool.
Really good.
I'll try
Yeah, thanks for your food.
Yeah.
Alright, first bite, what you think?
Need some salsa.
Oh, there you go. Just put some sauce on it. Take it into this enchilada real quick.
You're making a mess.
How you doing, sir?
Man, that enchilada look real. It's banging.
So I get a close up. All the
That looks
meat.
crazy on camera.
I like the way the sauce tastes on top of the enchilada. The beef is really good and thick. It's not like
Alright.
yeah, I think that's cheese. Yeah, the cheese is really good. I don't know what it is about like Mexican food, but like when they have that good cheese in there,
Yeah, it's different.
it's different than your regular cheese.
I feel like the chicken is good. A little bit light on the seasoning. But it's not nasty. It's just good.
Be able to see the food, but
I think this is like my first time really having like red beans and rice because I just eating them straight up. Maybe I'm supposed to put them on the tacos. Let's try it.
I don't really do the beans.
Me neither.
Like a refried beans. Yeah, maybe that's what you're supposed to do.
Who knows? I feel like Mexican food, everything with Mexican food you can just mix together and it's either gonna taste better or taste the same.
Yeah.
You can't really go wrong.
You definitely got. If you get tacos, you definitely got to put that salsa on top of your tacos.
Add a little bit of to it.
This tastes really good. Let y'all get that close up. Just cheesed up, and then I asked for the bigger meat instead of the pulled pork meat. And there was a little bit of enchilada sauce on the bottom. Not bad either.
I'm adding everything to this second taco.
Let them get a close up of yours.
Before it goes down. Presentation here is amazing though.
Yeah. But the way he has that his umbrella. There you go.
Yeah, it's about to get real, people. Arnita, this is the ultimate test, honestly, if I'm coming back or not. It's pretty good. Good thing that camera's there. I would have never known that thing was in my lip.
So what do you think? Better than Chipotle?
Chipotle still got the title.
Inside the title.
I would say,
you rate this?
I say they were tied between Chubby Taco.
Chubby Tacos?
Yeah,
Right.
Chubby Taco got number 2. I gotta eat Chubby Taco again because it's been a long time since I've been there, but it is amazing. So I gotta eat that again. But this is definitely up there because it got a slight hint of spice to it too, which I'm not huge on spice, but it's like the perfect amount where it's like, oh, I could tell you tried to spice it, but then you didn't fully commit, which makes it good. Yep.
But yeah, definitely give this place a worth a check out and let me know in the comments down below. Try to get you a good place to go to for your Cinco de Mayo coming up, wherever you celebrate. Yeah, and check out AJ's podcast, 3 Oaks.
The 3 Oak Podcast. We're doing things over here, people. It's going big.
Peace.
Alright, you guys made it to the end of the video of Shawn and Shawn.
Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, to leave us any feedback or suggestions of places we should check out. And stay tuned, more to come.